Hi, and welcome to Anmaree's workshop. My name is Anmaree, and I love to make things with joy. If you like to make things with joy, you have found the right place. Please like, subscribe, and share. Well, this is my hashtag Friday Sews, January 21, 22. I'm not sure. Anyway, this is my video where I talk about what is going on around the workshop. Now, this week's forum question is, what difficult technique do you think you might tackle in 2024? Well, I didn't really think about that, but I recently saw a video about Christian Dior's 2024 spring collection. And I watched these people in the atelier make their own fabric, and they wove together tiny tubes of white silk, and then they embroidery stitched them to create like a web inside the lattice that they created. And then they made this exquisite jacket out of it. And I was just so bowled over by the artistry of them creating their own fabric. So I might try something like that, maybe with an Ankara fabric. I don't know, but that's what I think I'm going to try this year. A little something outside of the box. So this week I am on a sewing vacation. So as you may know, I have come to Ocho Rios to meet my nephews and children that I've never gotten to meet. I was at their wedding, and I packed up my sewing machine and a few projects, and I'm gonna have a sewing vacation with an unbelievable view. Come along. Now I know it's frosty up there. I know. I've lived in England, Canada, New York, Pennsylvania. I have shoveled some snow. So come along with me, and I will show you the room I am and the facility I'm staying at, and I'll give you a little bit of this view.
Okay, guys, I'm going to have to voice over my clip because it was so windy. I'm sure you couldn't understand. This first piece is a lavender polyester blend that I picked up at Ping's on their 94 cents a yard um, clearance area. And this pink cotton is just beautiful. I picked up about 6 yards of that on their 94 cents a yard section as well. Now, I have been looking for this polyester blend. You see me wearing the tricolor dress at the beginning of the video, but I was looking for some more of the black to make a sports jacket to wear over it. Maker's Atelier sells a sports bomber jacket, and I want to use that. Excuse me walking away from the camera. I'll be back in a second. Here I come. All right. I bought this fabric because I bought a really crazy fabric on Temu, and I don't know what I'm making. But when I saw this fabric, I'm not sure yet what I'm making, but this sure does go with it. And I got that at Ping's in Montego Bay. I also went through their buckets and found this beautiful cotton blend stretch knit. I love the color, so I got two pieces because they were in their bucket. It wasn't a continuous piece, but I just love that print. And I got this beautiful Ankara. I absolutely love it. It's got black, red, and white. I have some more black and white material. I want to make another layer cake dress with it. And when I saw this, I knew it was coming home with me. I think I got 6 yards of that. And then I picked up 2 yards of this beautiful sunflower print. I just love sunflowers, and it had a navy background, perfect for me. Don't know what I'm making yet, but I just love a sunflower. I got that at Pablo's in Montego Bay. And I made a butterfly, monarch butterfly shirt. So I'm kind of in love with butterflies right now. So this Ankara print, I'm not sure yet, but I'm going to make something with it. Now, this is a repeat. I sent my duster to my lovely daughter-in-law, but I realized I had an Ogden cami and I also had a pair of shorts, and I thought that I could make a little cover up to go with them. And so I saw this fabric again in Pablo's in Montego Bay, and I got a little bit more to make a little cover up for the two pieces I already have. And now I got this fabric. It's the same consistency of the as the previous fabric. It's a kind of a cotton. I don't know exactly what I'm doing, but the colors are so rich. I don't know if it's being a quilt or I don't know if it's being something I wear. So last night I couldn't sleep. I guess it's the first night in a hotel. And I did one of the projects I brought with me. I'm going to do a separate sew along video for this dress. It's a pleasure to make. It's a free pattern. Please check out my video next week when I do the sew along for it. And in between sewing, I found a little time to go out and enjoy the beauty that is Jamaica. As you can see, it was an unusual week. I hope you're getting a chance to sew. Sew yourself happy, and we will see you next week, Friday.